Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 problems on if else condition. Okay, let's have a look. The first problem is write a program that reads a number. Okay, that reads a number and converts it is to a positive. Okay, this is the given problem. See, the output should be if the given number is negative. Okay, if the given number is negative, convert it to a positive number and print it. Okay, otherwise print the given number. Okay, if the number is negative, convert into positive, then after it will print. Okay, suppose the given number is positive, it will print directly positive number. Okay, see here, first what he said first, here I am taking with normal number. Okay, num is equal, suppose here I am taking num is equal 7. Okay, num is equal, first I am taking minus 7. Okay, negative number I am taking. So what he said, suppose the given number is negative, convert into positive. First check condition. Okay, first check. Write a program that reads a number. Okay, it's positive number. First, the given number is positive number or negative number. First check the condition. If num is positive, greater than 0. Okay, if num is positive, it's greater than 0. Print. Okay, print. Mm, okay, print num. If the given number is positive, directly it's num. Suppose it's negative. Okay, suppose it's negative, write else statement, else condition, print negative. Okay, negative. Okay, you suppose the given number is negative, multiply with minus 1. Okay, multiply with minus 1, it's good. Multiply with minus 1 and the given number. Okay, then print it. Okay, then print it. Okay, see the output. See, here I take a number is equal to minus 7. Suppose the given number is positive, it's directly print positive number. Suppose the given number is negative, it will go to else condition, then after it's the negative number will convert into positive and directly it will print positive number. Okay, now see 7. Okay, 7. Okay, see here I taken negative number. Okay, here I taken negative number. What happened? Okay, suppose the number is greater than 0, here the number is not greater than 0. Okay, then this condition is false. Okay, this condition is false, then it's entering into else block. In else block, what happened? Print under. Okay, print under num as it is minus 7 into minus 1. Okay, minus 7 into minus 1, what happened? Minus into minus plus, 7 ones are 7. Okay, 7 printed. Okay, 7 printed. Now this example do with the user input. Okay, this example do with the user input. See, in input, enter a number. Okay, enter a number. Okay, see, suppose here I am giving positive number. Okay, here I am giving positive number. Here the positive number is 6. The output is 6. Okay, why? Because here see the condition positive means directly given number will be printed. Suppose the given number is negative. Okay, the given number is negative. What happened? Minus 8. The output should be 8. When it entered into the else block, then after multiplied with minus 1, minus 8 into minus 1 plus 8. Okay, this is the output. Okay, okay, I hope you understand this problem, friends. Okay, next dive into second problem. Second problem, write a program that reads the student marks as input and prints pass or fail. Okay, if the student has scored more than 15, print pass. Okay, then otherwise print fail. Okay, see friends, here first student marks. Okay, first student student marks. First student marks take as user input. Enter marks. Okay, enter marks. Here what he given condition, the student if more than 50. Okay, more than 50 is equal to 50 or more than 50, it's coming under pass. Okay, normal scenario, out of 100, 35 is the pass mark. Okay, likewise here 50 means is equal to 50 or more than 50 coming under pass, below 50 coming under fail. Okay, then write condition if student marks. Okay, if a student marks, if student marks greater than or is equal to 50. Okay, greater than or is equal to 50, print. Okay, print pass. Okay, print pass. Remaining scenario. Okay, remaining scenario, else print fail. Okay, print fail. Okay, see the given student marks given as a user input. Suppose 50 or more than 50 is there, the student condition is false. If the condition, the given marks are more than 50 is there means, okay, it will print pass. Okay, remaining all conditions it will print fail. Okay, see here, I am giving student marks as 35. Student marks as 35. See, it's fail. Why? Because this is below 50. The given marks are below 50. Now see, I'll give more than 50. Okay, I'll give more than 50. See, I'm giving 67. Okay, 67 means it's pass. Okay, 67 means it's pass. Now I'm giving 50. Okay, now I am giving 50. 50 means it's coming under pass. Why? Because here I given greater than r is equal to 50. Okay, greater than r is equal to 50, that's why it's coming under pass. Okay, this is the second problem, friends. Okay, I hope you understand. Next, dive into the third problem. Now we see the third problem. Okay, write a program that reads two numbers a and b and prints the greatest among two numbers. Okay, see here, take two numbers. Okay, a is equal. Okay, a is equal int input, enter a first number. Okay, next b is equal int input, enter a second number. Okay, now what he is asking, in two numbers greatest among. Okay, greatest among, the greatest number we have to find. Then see, first take one condition as ever wish. Here I am taking, suppose if a is greater than b. Okay, suppose here a is greater than b, then print, then print a is greater. Okay, then print a is greater. Okay, else, else b is greater. Okay, b is greater. See, suppose here I am giving a is equal to 7, b is equal to 8. See, here 8 is greater. Okay, here 8 is greater. Suppose here I am giving a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. Here 5 is greater. Okay, okay, this way we have to do third problem. Okay, next. Okay, let's dive into fourth problem. Now see fourth problem. Write a program that reads the age of a person and checks if the age of the person is greater than or equal to 18. Okay, if the person age is, suppose if it's greater than 18 or equal to 18, he is eligible for vote. Okay, then otherwise he is not eligible. Suppose if he is more than is equal to 18 or more than 18, if we have to print eligible. Suppose below 18 we have to print not eligible. Okay, now take age is equal. Okay, age is equal. Here I'm taking random. Normal input I'm taking. Age is equal to 15. Okay, age is equal to 15. If age greater than or is equal to 18. Okay, greater than or is equal to 18. Print eligible. Okay, print eligible. Else print not eligible. Okay, print not eligible. Very simple problem. Okay, see here not eligible came. Why? Because the age I given 15. Okay, now here I am giving user input. Enter age of a person. Okay, enter age of a person. Now see, here I am giving 21. Okay, 21. He is eligible. Okay, eligible. Suppose here I am giving 17, not eligible. Okay, not eligible. Suppose here I am giving 18. Okay, eligible is equal to or greater than is equal. That means eligible. Okay, okay. I hope you understand. Okay, next problem. Now see the fifth problem. Write a program to print the relation between two numbers x and y. Okay, print x is less than y. If x is less than y, otherwise print x is greater than r is equal to y. Okay, now see friends, write a program to print a relation between two numbers. Okay, let's take the two numbers. Here x I am taking int input, enter first number. Okay, then y is equal to int input, enter second number. Okay, here what he is asking. Okay, suppose print x is less than y. Take one condition. Suppose x is less than y. Okay, if x is less than y, print. Okay, print x is less than y. Else, okay, else print. Suppose if if x is less than y, then print x is less than y. Then otherwise, what he is asking, print x is greater than r is equal to y. Okay, x is greater than r is equal to y. X is greater than r is equal to y. Okay, this is the see friends. This is the program. Let's have a see output here. X I am giving 7 and y I am giving 9. Okay, here x is a small number and y is a big number. See the output. Okay, see the output. See, x is less than y. Okay, x is less than y. Why? Because here x is a small number and y is a big number. Okay, now I am giving x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 6. Okay, see, now x is greater than or is equal to y. Okay, here y is a big, sorry, x is a big number and y is a small number. Then x is greater than or is equal to y. Okay, now let's see the next problem. Now sixth problem. Write a program to check if the given numbers are equal. Okay, if the given numbers are equal, print equal. Okay, print equal. In all other cases, print not equal. Okay, now see, here I took two numbers x and y. Okay, here already I took two numbers x and y. Okay, here just you have to write one condition is enough. Okay, one condition is enough. Here what is the first condition? What is asking? The numbers are equal. Okay, numbers are equal. That's why here I am taking x equal to. Okay, x equal to y. Then print then print what he is asking. Then print equal. Okay, then print equal. Okay, then print equal. In remaining all conditions. Okay, remaining all conditions is asking not equal. Okay, remaining all conditions is asking not equal. Okay, see here, see the output. Here x I am giving 7 and y I am giving 7. Then what is the output? What is the output here? Okay, equal. Okay, what is the output here? Equal. Suppose here I am giving x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 9. Here both are equal? No. Okay, both are not equal. That's why the output is not equal. Okay, this is the program for given problem. Okay, let's dive into next problem. Now see the seventh problem. The given length and breadth of a box. Check if it is a rectangle or square. Okay, if the given length and breadth are equal, it's a square. In remaining all cases, it's a rectangle. Okay, let's see this image. Here, the difference between the rectangle and square is if both length and breadth are different, it's a rectangle. Okay, both length and breadth are equal, it's a square. Okay, see. Okay, see in this problem, what he is asking, length and breadth. Okay, first take length. Okay, first take length is equal some size. Uh, enter the size of length as well as enter the size of breadth. Okay, now see here what he is asking, both length and breadth are equal. It's a square. Okay, condition is length. Okay, length equal to breadth. Length equal to breadth. Print. It's a square. Print. It's a square. Okay, remaining all cases. Okay, remaining all cases. It's a rectangle. Okay, remaining all cases. It's a rectangle. Okay, this is the program for given problem. Okay, now see the output. Okay, here length I am giving 5 and breadth also I am giving 5. Okay, here length is equal and breadth is equal. Then what is the output? Output is the square. Okay, output is the square. Okay, see, suppose here I am giving length is equal 7 and breadth is equal to 9. Here length is different and breadth is also different. Then what is the output? Rectangle. Okay, the what is the output? Rectangle. Okay, this is the given problem, friends. Okay, next dive into next problem. Now see the eighth problem. Write a program that reads a temperature and checks if the given temperature is between the 15 and 40. Okay. Now print can go for a walk if the temperature is between the 15 and 40. Remaining all other cases cannot go for a walk. See friends, a man wants to go outside. If the temperature is between the 15 and 40, that the output will be print can go for a walk. Remaining all cases cannot go for a walk. Okay. Now see, take temperature. Okay, take temperature is equal to int input. Okay, enter temperature is equal to, enter temperature is equal to, see, if what he is asking, the temperature is between the 15 and 40, that means the temperature is more than 15 and less than 40. That is the condition. Okay, the temperature is between the more than 15. Okay, more than 15 and more than 15 and temperature is less than 40. Okay, more than 15 and less than 40. Okay, if it's 15 or 40 is also fine. Okay, if it's 15 or 40 also, but what he is asking is between. Okay, between indicates. Okay, between indicates in middle between two numbers. Okay, between word is indicates in middle between two numbers. Okay, there is no equal to. Okay, equal to symbol is not coming. Okay, in these situations. Okay, now see, this is the given condition, but what he is asking, the temperature is between the 15 and 40. What is the output should be print? Okay, can go for a walk. Can go for a walk. Can go for a walk. Remaining all conditions. Okay, remaining all conditions, what he is asking, cannot. Okay, cannot go for a walk. Cannot go for a walk. Okay, see friends, now see the output. Now see the output. Here the first I am giving temperature is between the 15 and 40. I am giving temperature is 20. See what is the output? Can go for a walk. Okay, can go for a walk. Okay, now see, I am giving temperature 41. Okay, now I am cannot go for a walk. Okay, cannot go for a walk. This is the program, friends. Okay, next. Okay, next dive into another problem. Now see ninth problem. Write a program that reads the size S and the page count is C of a book. And if checks the S equal to large or C is greater than or equal to 300. See friends, a boy went to a bookstall. He wants to buy a book. Okay, but the boy applied two conditions. Okay, the boy applied two conditions. What are those means? First, the size. Okay, the book size looks like it's a large. Okay, the book size looks like large, and the page count must be greater than 300. Okay, and the page count must be 300. The two conditions, any one condition is satisfied. Okay, the book he wants to buy. Okay, the book he wants to buy. Remaining all conditions he doesn't buy. Okay, now see, first what he is asking, size. Okay, size is coming under string. Okay, size is coming under string. Then s is equal to, okay, s is equal to input. Okay, s is equal to input. Enter the size. Okay, enter the size. Next, page count. Page count is coming under integer. Okay, page count c coming under integer. Then input. Then input, enter the count of pages. Enter the count of pages. Okay, now see friends, here this is the important step. Here you observe what conditions he is asking. Okay, what conditions he is asking. Please listen carefully. What is the first condition? Size equal to large. Okay, size equal to large. That means S equal to equal. Okay, S equal to large. Okay, S equal to large R. Okay, R, here you applied logical or operator, and C is greater than or is equal to 300. Okay, C is greater than or is equal to 300, greater than or is equal to 300. This is the given condition. If the in these two conditions, okay, in these two conditions, any one condition is satisfied, he wants to buy a book. Okay, here the printing statement is buy a book. Okay, the printing statement is buy a book. In remaining all conditions, do not buy a book. Okay, now see, print buy a book, remaining all conditions, what is asking, do not buy a book, do not buy a book. This is the program friends. Okay, now see the output. Okay, now see the output. See friends, here size he is asking. Okay, size is asking. Here size I am giving large. Okay, size I am giving large, and count. Suppose the count 300 or more than 300 is there, means condition satisfied. If any one condition is enough. Now count size I am giving 200. Now see the output, buy a book. Okay, buy a book. Why? Because here giving logical or operator. Or operators means both conditions must be false. Both conditions must be false. In that situation only the output should be false. Remaining all conditions, the output should be true. Okay, now see, here size is large. Okay, but the number of pages is less than 300. That's not a problem. Okay, that's not a problem. Then it's the true by a book. Suppose here I am giving. Okay, here I am giving size is small. Okay, size is small I am giving, and the number of, okay, the number of pages I am giving 300. Here also buy a book. Okay, here also buy a book. Why? Because this condition is true, this condition is false. Okay, this condition is false and this condition is true, then automatically the output should be print true. That means buy a book. Here this condition is satisfied. Suppose the condition false means at that time else block will be printed. Okay, now see, I will run again. See, here I am giving, enter the size is small, and the number of count is also I am giving 200. Here this condition is false and as well as this condition is also false. Then two conditions are false means the entire if condition is false, then it will be print into else block. Okay, it will be print into else block. Then the output should be do not buy a book. Okay, the output should be do not buy a book. Okay, I hope you understand friends. Okay, this is the problem, I hope you understand. Okay, next dive into another problem. Now see the 10th problem. Write a program that reads two numbers A and B and checks if the both A and B are less than or equal to 1000 or B is greater than 500. See friends, okay? See friends, here what he is asking, print pair. If see, first take two numbers. Okay, I will explain the condition clearly. First take two numbers. A is equal to, okay, int input. Okay, A is equal to int input. Enter first number, and as well as B is equal to, okay, enter second number. Okay, enter second number. Okay, see here two, okay, here two numbers I taken. See what he is asking, print pair. Okay, if he wants to print, but what is the condition he is asking? First condition means take if both A and B, okay, both A and B are less than or equal to 1000. Okay, less than or equal to 1000. That means, okay, both A and B, that means A is less than or equal to 1000. Okay, A is less than okay, A is less than or equal to 1000 and B is less than or equal to 1000. Okay, a is less than or equal to 1000 and b is less than or equal to 1000. This is one condition. Okay, up to here this is one condition. Or, okay, or what he is asking, another condition, b is greater than 500. B is greater, not equal to, okay, b is greater than 500. B is greater than 500. Okay, this is the given condition. If you wants to print pair, suppose this condition is true. Okay, suppose this condition is true, what he wants to print? Okay, print pair. Okay, print pair, remaining all conditions. Okay, remaining all conditions, print. Okay, remaining all conditions, what he is asking, not a pair. Okay, not a pair. See here, print pair means here first what he is asking, both a and b. Okay, both a and b means a is, okay, a is less than or equal to 1000. Okay, a is less than or is equal to 1000. And okay, first here both a and b means don't put in, don't put in single brackets like this. Okay, here both don't put like this, a and, okay, a and b. Okay, a and b great less than or is equal to, don't put like this, it's a wrong way. Okay, it's a completely wrong way. As per the given, as per the given sentence, some members are putting like this. Okay, some members are putting like this is completely wrong way. Okay, see, we have to put like this. Here both a and b means a is less than or is equal to 1000, as well as, okay, as well as b is less than or is equal to 1000. Up to here, okay, up to here to here, this is one condition. Okay, this is one condition. Okay, now you put r, now you put logical r, then b is greater than 500, then b is greater than 500. Okay, now see, if the complete condition is true, okay, now the complete condition is true, the pair will be print. Okay, remaining all other cases, not a pair will be print. Now see the output. Now see the output. See, okay, see here, suppose enter first number. Okay, enter first number. What is asking, if a is less than or is equal to 1000. Okay, a is less than or is equal to 1000. See now, a I am entering 400 and b I am entering 300. Okay, a I am entering 400, b entering 300. Here a is less than 1000, b is also less than 1000. That means up to here it's a true. Why? Because this is a true condition, this is a true condition, as well as this is a true condition. According to logical and operator, both the conditions are true, then the output should be true. Up to here it's a true, up to here it's a true, but b is greater than 500. Okay, here, but as per the this condition, as per this condition, okay, b is a less, but this is a false condition. But according to logical r, one condition is true, the complete condition should be true. That means the output should be print pair, the output should be print pair. See here, okay, the output should be print pair. See, this is the output. Okay, this is the output. Now see, I will give, okay, I will give here, a I am giving 1100. Okay, a I am giving 1100, b I am giving 600. Now see, this is also a pair. Why? Because, why? Because see here, okay, see here, first condition is false. Up to here it's a false. Why? Because one here for the first condition is false. Up to here it's a false. Up to here it's a false means the complete condition is false. But according to this, the second condition is true. Okay, the second condition is true. Then it's print pair. Okay, then it's print pair. Now see, we will see another way. Now a I am giving 1200, b I am giving 300. Okay, a I am giving, here see, up to here this is a false, second condition is also false, then the complete output should be false, the not a pair will be print. Okay, this is the program, friends. I hope you understand. Okay, I hope you understand. Up to here I explained total 10 problems on if else statement. Okay, on the if else statement, you must all should be do practice. Okay, without practice we can't do anything. Okay, I hope you understand this video, friends. Okay, if you understand, please like this video, please share to your friends. Okay, this is only basic level programs. Okay, this is only basic level programs on initial, okay, initial level concepts. Okay, up to functions, these up to functions all are basic level concepts. Yeah, on basic level, I am saying number of problems. If you understand the logic, okay, the future problems will do easily. Okay, I hope you understand, friends. Thank you so much. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, press on the bell icon. Okay, thank you so much, friends. In the next video I will say more problems. Okay, thank you.